Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today's video will be special for one freaking 1,000 people because our YouTube channel AK Akshat has hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which was a dream for me 3 years back. And those who don't know that from which time I am doing YouTube, so I want to tell you that as a hobby I am working on YouTube from 3 freaking years. Yeah, you heard it right, I am working on YouTube from 3 years. And how did I started YouTube and all those things we will talk in today's video. I will thank some YouTubers and some friends as well. Let's start the video. So when I started YouTube, I was thinking that why should I not start YouTube, because I heard that YouTube gives you a lot of money after completing 10,000 views. At that time that was the policy. So I started YouTube. I thought that I am a talented person, I can do it for sure. You should believe in yourself for doing anything you want, whether it is YouTube, your classes, your school. You have to think that मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता, and after that you have to say कि I can do it, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, and that will be the level of believing in yourself. And guys, we face a lot of difficulties in YouTube. जैसे आप देखो ना, ये लोग यहाँ पे ये जो इधर है ये ऐसे देख रहे हैं मेरे को जैसे हम कोई पिक्चर बना रहे हैं. So when I started YouTube, I used to do the mimicry of Make Joke Off, a popular channel who used to make some wine sort of thing using animation. So I did mimicry of those things, and with the help of mimicry, I grew a lot. But after making 5 to 6 videos about the mimicry of Make Joke Off, I started making weird and shit things, and due to those things, my channel didn't grow as fast as it should be. Because having confidence is a great thing, but having overconfidence is not the best thing on offer. Not that अरे भाई कुछ भी बनाओ, now people will watch, because I used to get 1,000 views. I got 1,000 views on my first mimicry video, and that was the time that I got overconfidence that let me change my content, and that was the biggest downfall of my channel. बट छोटा था उस समय, इतनी समझ नहीं थी. ज्यादातर लोग YouTube क्यों नहीं स्टार्ट करने चाहते? दे आर अफ्रेड ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म. Bro, I want to tell you one thing, bro or sister, anybody who's watching, that criticism is a part of your life. If you are successful, then you have to face criticism. If you don't want to face criticism, then you don't want to be successful as well. क्या कभी किसी ने मुझे क्रिटिसाइज किया है? So the answer is yes. But I'm not an emotional person at all. Why should I lie with you? I'm not emotional at all. I'm a kind person, I'm a good person, but I'm not emotional at all. That is the truth on offer. So I didn't mind all those things. Now, after making mimicry videos, I used to make some roast sort of thing, in which I'm very good. I kid you not. I'm very good in roasting people and creating memes and all those things. But जब आप अपने चैनल का कंटेंट एकदम से चेंज कर दोगे, then you will not get views, you will not get subscribers. Suppose that you have subscribed to Faisal sir, and suppose that if one day he started making that I am going to Manali and vlogs and all those things, so you'll say कि हम कार की ऑडियंस हैं, we want to watch car videos, and why are you making these vlog stuffs? So this is the thing. But as I started making car videos, I got a lot of views because of this beauty. It gave me around 5,000 views on that time only, and now the video of this car has hit around 11,500 views. And at that time I understood that AK Akshat Sharma is made for reviewing cars and knowing about cars, because from my childhood I used to love cars, and whenever I wanted to buy a toy, I just buy cars. I have a lot of toys on my home, and all of them are just cars, nothing else than cars. That was the level of love for cars. So at that time I made a lot of car videos. First things first, I made only just videos at home, like Eon ka air filter, Eon ka AC filter, everything about this Hyundai Eon, because that was the car on my home. I didn't had anything other than this car. So when did I started reviewing the cars? Basically, the first review of the Honda City. How did I make that? What was the story behind that? Why did I went to that showroom? So the reason was that my father and my mother, we all went to a place to see some furniture sort of things, and there was the Stallion Honda showroom. So I went over there. I thought that जब तक ये लोग furniture देखेंगे, why not utilize the time? And at that time only I saw few YouTubers like Faisal sir and Gagan Chaudhary sir as well. So I thought that like they review the cars, I'll also review the car. So I went to the showroom. I asked the manager to review the car, and he said, yes beta, why not, go and review the car. And at that time mera confidence was there, okay, on Sky High. So that was the thing, and I want to thank that manager because अगर उस दिन उन्होंने मना किया होता तो मेरे अंदर हिम्मत नहीं होती कि मैं और शोरूम में जाऊं और वहां पे जाके पूछूं, क्योंकि बिकॉज कॉन्फिडेंस जो है वो लो तो हो ही जाता है. आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट Ertiga to review because some relatives came to my home and they offered me the Ertiga to review. After that the Wagoner to review, and then I started going to the showrooms, और जब भी कोई कार घर पे आती थी I used to review that. And after that I started reviewing the cars. But from 2019 only I used to watch Harsh Vlogs, named YouTuber whose name is Harsh Chauhan actually, and his channel name is Harsh Vlogs. You can see the link over here on the top right corner actually. So yeah, he is a YouTuber with around 2.98 lakh subscribers, and he's my favorite YouTuber, one of the most favorite YouTuber. I just watch two YouTubers, actually three. One is Faz Beam sir, other is Harsh Vlogs, and the third one is Gagan Chaudhary sir. I used to watch his vlogs, the Harsh Vlogs channel, and after that I got inspired from him, and I started to make some car vlogs as well. Somehow I got his number at that time. शुरू ही था साल का, I think April or May sort of thing, and then I got his number somehow. I'll not tell you from where did I got because आप भी search करने लगोगे. So at that time I messaged him on WhatsApp, and we became good friends. Not friends, but I am his younger brother you can say, and that is the thing. I hope कि वो ये video देख रहे हो. And that was the moment when I took his interview and I got decent amount of views on that video. But after that मेरा channel चलना बंद हो गया था. But एक lucky car और आ गई मेरे जीवन में, and that was the Renault Triber. जितनी भी videos थी मेरी उस पे 39 views, 40 views, 45 views आ रहे थे. When I made the video taking delivery of all new Renault Triber RXZ, फाड़ के आसमान को, it went to the space, and I got 600 sort of views on that video. So that was a nice thing. After that I made Renault Triber headlight test. That also got very successful, 1.9k sort of views on that. And after that I made the review finally. After that I made some more videos, and after making some more videos I thought कि यार क्यों ना कुछ controversial type की चीज की जाए. And I knew that I am a big fan of Faisal sir, and that's why I did that tattoo thing कि if I'll complete 1 lakh subscribers in 1 year I'll make the tattoo. वो तो पूरा हो नहीं पाया. We were not able to complete 1 lakh subscribers in the 2020 itself, but that year was just massive for me. Thank you Faisal sir for featuring me in your community tab. And because of that featuring, my channel just went sky high. And that was the time when I thought that now I should be a little serious for my YouTube journey, because I'm doing well, and big, very big, 6 foot 2 inches tall Faisal sir, I'm giving you a 7 foot 2 inches big thank you. So a lot of YouTubers helped me. You can say that Harsh Vlogs, Harsh Bhaiya helped me a lot. I like him very much because of his simplicity. Faisal sir is also very nice, and yeah, I want to thank them all. And from that thing, my parents also started supporting me, because they found out कि अगर फैसल जैसे बड़ी यूट्यूबर ने इनको प्रमोट किया है, तो इट मीन्स कि उन्हें भी लगा होगा कि हाँ यार कुछ है इसमें, इसीलिए उन्होंने प्रमोट किया होगा. So my parents started taking me to the showrooms more and more, and after that I got a very nice person named as Aman Kumar Bhaiya. He works in SRM Tata, and I went there. I asked him that may I make a review of your cars, and he very nicely said, "अरे बेटा बना लो जिसका बनाना हो." So that was a very nice of him. He took Harrier to my home from the showroom. That was also a very nice thing. So I want to thank him as well. And from that time I started making more car videos, and I became more and more successful with time. From August 2020 till now, we have gained 800 freaking subscribers. That is a lot, because तब हमारे 200 something थे, and now we have 1006 subscribers, and that is a very nice thing on offer. The time I started YouTube, I didn't edit my videos, just raw videos post कर देते थे. We only knew one thing, and that was merging the video. But now also I edit with my phone only. And remember one thing: if you want to start YouTube, you do not need any kind of equipment on offer. Till now also I just have this tripod only, which was gifted, not purchased by me. You have to put your YouTube money on your YouTube to grow. I thought that when we'll get the community tab, मैं वहाँ पे एक post डाल दूँगा, so you will be able to ask questions over there on the community tab, and then I'll answer them. And that was all from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for 1000 subscribers, and bye bye.